Do you feel that nagging pain around the neck shoulder area? And you feel like, oh my God, how am I going to continue my day? So most of that comes really from our lifestyle of being on computers, being on phones, or also cooking, cleaning. All of this plays a big role. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick self-help trick, and so you can release this in really just a few minutes. A lot has to do with our posture, so that's another thing. But here we're just going to really work on that one specific part, and if it's severe, please go and see some professional. For this exercise, you will need a belt, a long belt, or a scarf, and that's it. Let's go. More of those videos? Please subscribe, and you'll hear more from me. For this, sit in a comfortable seated position. You can be on a chair, you can stand, you can be on the floor, whatever works, as long as you keep your spine erect. That means always work a little bit your belly to be upright. So let's start with the neck. So first let your arms hang. Roll your shoulders a little bit back so that your chest is open, and then turn your right hand, place it over to take hold of your left ear. And then pull on your ear and then pull it diagonally up. So that means this way. Let your left arm hang and then breathe into that space between your ear and your shoulder. Long and deep breaths. And then slowly release and change. So turning, flip the hand over, take hold of your right ear, and then pull your head over, stretching the right side of your neck. Again, breathe into that space. Let your arm be heavy so that the neck relaxes here, giving it a gentle stretch. And then release. So now cross your hands behind your back, moving the shoulders back, and then move your chin forward, and then from there lower your head down, releasing it forward. Simply press your hands towards the chair or down towards the floor to keep the shoulder blades moving down, and then relax the back side of your neck. Inhaling slowly with the chin going forward, lift your head back up, back into place, and then relax your arms. So now cross your hands, and when you cross your hands, do not close them, the palms, but also don't keep them open, so there's something in between. And then place this part of your hands onto the neck. So this part of your hand is pushing gently here to the base of the skull, and then the thumb is pressing down the C7, which is this bone sticking out the most in your spine. So with the elbows together, lift your belly, and then slowly lift your chin up. So as you lift your head, your hands are preventing the head from going too far back, and this creates length in your cervical spine, freeing up the tension in this area in your neck. Lifting the chin up, up, up. Inhale here, and then exhaling, come back down. Release your arms, and then just do a few shoulder rolls, loosening up. So now we've been doing the head movements in the X, Y, and Z axis. Please never do any head circles. Our spine is not made for doing circles. It's not a joint. So the joint is made to do exactly these movements, but not head circles. So you see this all over, but please don't do them for the health of your neck. So now we come to the most interesting part. You will need the belt or the scarf, and then place it onto the upper back. So basically behind your back, let it come out from under your armpits. Make sure that both ends are at the same length here. And then bring it together, making it a cross. And now stick your head through the cross. So you can put the cross quite forward, put that overhead and then cross it behind your back. Now I'm just going to adjust a little bit on the clothing as well, so that the belt here is on the upper trapezius muscles. So now take hold of the belt here on the sides. See that it's behind and not in front of the shoulder. And then inhale here. On an exhalation, pull on the belt and then slowly move your hands down, your arms down to pull on that upper trapezius muscles. And then inhaling, release, come back up. So now walk your hands a little closer. Yeah, elbows more bent. Inhale here. And then exhaling, pull and then pull down at the same time as you pull away. Like a Christmas tree. Down, 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 down. Hold for a moment. And then one more time. So come back up. Bring the hands even closer. Inhaling. Exhaling, pull and down. With the belly active, releasing the tension in the upper back. And then release. So take away this because you want to get the feeling of, now I feel a lot more free around here. What happens is that the muscle fibers, when they get a 90-degree pressure, the muscle has to release. So you may just feel like, something happened here, and it works. So let me know in the comment how it worked for you. And then I see you in the next video.